Hey everyone, and welcome to our review of the powerful and sleek COSORI Pro Gen 2 air fryer. This upgraded model cooks meals 50% faster than ovens while using 85% less oil. You can choose from 13 convenient one-touch functions designed by professional chefs for the best results. The large 5.8 quart square basket easily fits an entire 5-pound chicken for your family. An advanced built-in sensor monitors the temperature to ensure every dish is cooked perfectly every single time. You get 100 chef-created recipes and a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket for a very easy cleanup. This reliable kitchen appliance helps anyone create show-stopping meals with professional quality in their own busy home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.